Debbie Bell-Hosking for Finextra TV here in London at Sibos. And I'm talking to Erik Zingmark of Nordea. Hello, Erik.
Hi there.
We're talking about the Nordic payments landscape.
Yeah.
What are the developments that you are seeing there?
Well, the Nordic payment landscape is boiling, and I think it's both because of the thing we are running now called P27 to create the first cross-border, cross-currency platform in the world, but also in e-commerce and in digital payments in general, things are happening extremely fast.
You say things are boiling, that's a great expression.
Yeah.
And why do you think Nordea and other banks should be focusing on e-commerce?
Well, I think what the basic answer to that is that commerce is moving online, not only for the B2C business, but also the B2B business is increasingly making use of online. So if you're not in that space, you will become irrelevant over time, because that is what the customers will need help to develop in the online channels.
And Nordea's been on a change journey. How's that progressing, and what are the areas that you're focusing on?
Yeah, I think first of all what we're doing is that we are replacing our legacy with brand new technology. So we will have one payment engine, we will have one account system, ledger, and we will have one data warehouse. So that is one important component, but on top of that we're also working a lot on the cultural aspect. Culture as such, but also how we govern things and how we simplify the way we operate and try to implement an agile way of working and working much more in virtual teams across the bank. And thirdly, we are digitizing as much as we possibly can.
And that leads me to my final question, is that there are so many emerging technologies.
Yeah, yes.
I mean, what is your view on that for now? I think you've touched on that slightly, but also the future.
Yes. Well, first of all, I think after having been through a hype phase, blockchain is now becoming more real. We are live in two initiatives, one in WeTrade with import-export, and the second with real estate trading in Finland. So blockchain is happening. Then artificial intelligence is becoming more and more important, both to provide better services to our customers, but also be stronger on compliance. And thirdly, I think data in general is really, really important. And again, to be better to our customers, but also to find new revenue streams. So I would say those three, perhaps linked to the whole API space and open banking space, are the things that I think will be most important going forward.
And of course, these are hot topics at Sibos.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Have a great conference here in London.
Thanks a lot.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.